Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 14-plate Nissan Micra Acenta. This is the 1.2 petrol, 5 doors, finished in the stunning-looking platinum sage metallic, and it has covered just 9,500 miles. So have a good walk around of this super low mileage Micra. It's had just the one owner from new, a lady if that makes any difference to you. Privately owned from new, just 9,500 miles. Full Nissan main dealer service history, 7 stamps in the book, so absolutely thoroughly maintained throughout its life. Virtually unmarked alloy wheels. 5-door Micra. 1.2 3-cylinder petrol engine, 5-speed manual gearbox. And what a lovely colour it is. I think we've just had a couple of these in our time. Many Micras, countless, but not many in this colour. And I think it really makes it stand out from the crowd. Bridgestone tyres on the rear. £30 road tax on these as well, which is good. Low insurance group, excellent on fuel. So all round very economical little cars to run. A centre model, so nicely appointed. Slightly raised seating position on these Micras as well. Just for that extra bit of practicality and ease of access and visibility. Remote central locking. You get electric windows in the front, one touch on the driver's side. As we make our way in. Electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel itself, which is lovely and tidy. You've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the one side, and then you've got your Bluetooth controls on the other. It does have automatic lights, and it also has, as we look on the other side, automatic wipers as well. Normal handbrake, none of this electric nonsense. Then you do have a driver's armrest, which comes down. 5-speed manual gearbox. And then a couple of cup holders, bit of storage. You've got a 12-volt socket down below there, and then up above where the glove box is, it's a dual-layered glove box. Oh, how snazzy. Some sunglasses, we'll give you those for free. Handbooks, locking wheel nut key, and you've also got a USB and auxiliary as well. There she purrs, 9,548 miles, that's all. And I'll just switch them off for a second as I finish this one. You've got radio CD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and then you've got your climate control down below. Piano black, really nice straightforward layout, big buttons, super easy to get along with. And then into the rear. 2 seats in the rear, 3 headrests, 3 proper seat belts, so you can fit 5 comfortably. Isofix as well for the child seats. Windy windows. And then round to the boot space, which is actually not bad at all for a smallish car, although they're not small these days anyway, but there we go. Good sized boot space. Parcel shelf, split folding rear seats, and the all important spare wheel. So there we go. Platinum Sage Nissan Micra, 9,000 miles, 1 owner from new, 7 Nissan service stamps, and £30 road tax. Excuse the phone, they're obviously trying to get hold of me, but I will answer as soon as I've finished, because it takes me a while to get going again. Finance is available, of course, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 1 remote key, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups, and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always ever so popular, these little Micras. They fly out the door, so to have one with such low mileage and 1 owner, surely one not to be missed. Thanks for watching.